Yeah, who's calling the king in New York?
Who is the king?
Richie Radio. Or if you'd like to check the first 3 months of the Pistol Grip 127 radios, nobody in New York City or the United States was able to take me out that sky and them video gates all over this globe. You see that signal you have on me right now in your radio? What if I told you I'm dad and better in Texas, Carolina, and the United Kingdom?
You don't know nothing about Carolina, so be quiet.
Be quiet, Africa. It's Sunday. I don't want to hear no lip from you cheap-ass mothers.
It's not Africa. It's Carolina himself. That's Winthrop. Call me on your radio when you get to Winthrop.
Nah, I ain't messing with you. You don't know how to pay.
Yeah, pay you no mind. Yeah, we go ahead and talk it to. They don't want up here, baby.
Well, who am I supposed to be talking to? I was talking directly to Africa.
Yeah, that's not Africa.
I know, but I wasn't talking to you.
When you get on the radio call, you got to go up there like that. Man, I be channel again and make you get that number. You because you don't want nothing at all.
That's because I can.
So have a mind.
Yes, sir. The King of New York, the Brooklyn CB shop. Too many imitators, too many instigators, not enough initiators, and only one technician putting them radios out there sounding this loud and clear. Just a little you-know-who. Uh-oh. With that supreme audio drive, baby. Listen to that sound, plucker. When I do it once, no need to ask why twice. Take it to the CB shop. Shut up!